ever watched Snowdrop actually dock at the ferry terminal? But if you have, you'll probably notice that it looks very awkward and very difficult. That's because Snowdrop has a Fletner type rudder system attached to an average propeller. This means that everything has to be done manual. But in 1959, when Snowdrop was launched, this was classed as advanced technology even for ferries. But as you know, times change and technology advances, as we can see in the brand new Royal Daffodil, which is coming out later on this year. And one technological advancement about this brand new Daffodil is that she can parallel park better. That's because she has something called pods. Now these pods allow Daffodil to almost pivot on the spot, making manoeuvrability so much easier. It also has an automated control assistant, making life easier for everyone on board. So for the Mersey Ferries, the future will be smooth sailing, metaphorically and literally.